The A. I just flagged something massive in XRP's charts that hasn't happened since the last major rally. Let's break it down. All right, my dear viewers, here's where we are right now. XRP is sitting at $1.03, down about 3.13% in the last 24 hours. Now, I know seeing red numbers isn't the most exciting thing, but here's what I've noticed. Sometimes the best opportunities come disguised as scary price drops. The trading volume is still healthy at 77.56 million XRP, which tells me people are definitely paying attention to what's happening here. So here's why this number matters, sweethearts. The RSI just hit 42.16, which means we're entering that sweet oversold territory. You know what that usually means? Rebound time. The price is literally hugging the bottom of the Bollinger Bands at $1.04. Think of it like a rubber band being stretched. It's got to snap back eventually. The MACD is still negative, but here's the interesting part. It's starting to contract, which is often the first sign of momentum shifting. Now this is interesting about what's moving the market today. XRP has this crazy, strong connection to traditional markets, and not in a good way right now. When stocks go up, XRP tends to go down, with an 89% negative correlation to the S&P 500. So while Wall Street is partying, crypto is sitting in the corner. But here's the thing, that kind of extreme correlation doesn't last forever. On the regulatory front, well, it's actually pretty quiet, which is good news. Sometimes no news is the best news in crypto. XRP ETFs are trading normally, with $20.9 million flowing in, not out. That tells me institutions aren't panicking about any regulatory drama. The biggest ETF alone saw $9.9 million in fresh money. If there were regulatory storms brewing, you'd see that money running for the hills. The mood right now is, well, let's just say it's not great. The Fear and Greed Index is at 25, which screams extreme fear. But you know what I've learned over the years? When everyone's scared, that's often when the best opportunities show up. It's like shopping during a panic sale. Everything's marked down. While retail investors are hiding under their beds, institutions are quietly buying $20.9 million worth of XRP ETFs. The big players are doing something interesting, honey. We're seeing 792 whale transactions moving around 28.9 trillion XRP. That's a lot of movement from the smart money. When whales start swimming this actively, it usually means something's about to happen. They don't move that kind of volume just for fun. In plain English, we're at this stage where the correction might be wrapping up. The Elliott Wave analysis suggests we're in the final part of Wave C, which is technical speak for the down move is getting tired. The Wyckoff method shows us in Phase B accumulation with 46% confidence. Think of it like this. The smart money is quietly collecting shares, while everyone else is distracted by the scary headlines. So what does the AI think? Well, this is where it gets exciting. Short term, the AI sees $1.22 with 62% confidence. That's about 18% upside from here. Medium term gets really interesting. $1.42 with 92% confidence over the next week. Wait, 92%? That's almost never this high. Long term, we're looking at $1.63, which would be a whopping 58% gain in 30 days. But here's what could go wrong, because I always want to keep it real with you. If the dollar keeps getting stronger, that negative correlation could drag XRP down further. Also, XRP moves almost lockstep with Bitcoin at 95% correlation, so if Bitcoin stumbles, XRP stumbles too. The technical resistance levels around $1.07 and $1.09 could be tough to break through. Here's my take, sweeties. This is a BIY situation. The AI is screaming buy with that 92% confidence. The whales are accumulating, and we're getting oversold bounce signals left and right. Entry range, $1.03 to $1.05. First target, $1.22 for that sweet 18% gain. Second target, $1.42 for 37% profit, but please, set your stop loss at $1. That's only 3% down from here, so you're not risking much for potentially huge upside. That's it for today, my lovely viewers. If this analysis helped you see the bigger picture, smash that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Remember, we're just looking at what the AI data is telling us. Always do your own research too. See you in the next one, and happy trading.